dessert to serve up this summer.
And what's better than that little baby key lime?
Little baby ones.
Your own individual key lime.
You take it like a pill, like a Tylenol.
There you go. Well, it tastes a lot better than that.
Exactly. Let's talk about them. They smell so good.
Okay, so it's pretty traditional. It's very easy and quick. It's literally only 7 ingredients, I think.
Right.
So you start with your graham cracker crumbs and then a little bit of melted butter and some granulated sugar.
Okay.
And
Do you make that yourself, or does that come in a bag?
I actually did this in the food processor. So I just took, you know,
Graham crackers
and then just pulsed them and then added the melted butters.
Gotcha.
Okay.
And then you are going to use a muffin pan,
Sure.
and then you've got your cupcake liners, and then just take your graham crackers, and you just kind of,
Fill to
you know,
about where?
press them in really nice and firm so that they
2/3?
hold.
That's a
Yeah,
third
maybe
way.
just a third, the bottom
Okay,
third.
1/3.
Yeah.
Not 2/3.
And
That's a
then
little thick.
the filling is the 2/3 part, because
Yes.
that's really what you want, right?
Right.
So that is cream cheese, some egg yolks, sweetened condensed milk, and lime juice.
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah, and what I like to do, if you like a little bit more of that lime flavor, if you take the lime itself and zest some of the lime zest, you get more of that lime flavor. And you just beat that together. You bake off the crust for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Then you pull it out, add your filling, and you bake for another 15 minutes and then sit it in the fridge. And these are great for parties, and that's what I was thinking for summer. We've got a holiday weekend coming up. You know, you could take these to a barbecue, make them a couple days ahead, have them in the fridge, and then they are just perfect little individual bites. Look at
About
that.
how many can we get out of your recipe that you're
I'd say you get at least a dozen.
A dozen,
Yeah,
okay.
out of the
All right.
one recipe.
All right. And it's something fun to do with the kids.
So we love key lime pie, but technically, I guess we could we do this for other pies as well? I mean,
Well,
would
you
it
could
work?
do the same thing and do lemon with your, instead of your lime juice, you could do
It
lemon,
has to be that. I
like
gotcha.
lemon cream
Okay.
cheese. Yeah,
Right.
but this is the graham cracker crust, so, you know, lemon and lime are
I'm
kind
just
of the
thinking-
primary
Cheesecake
flavors.
Because if you could do, you know, coconut cream, chocolate, I'd love to take these, you know, I could take them and put them in the car with me.
You're going
Yeah.
to stick that in his mouth?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, okay, there you go. So now we leave it in the fridge for how long for it to kind of get together?
You're welcome.
How long
Thank
do
you.
you want to leave it in the fridge, though, to make it kind of...
You want to let it set and chill for at least 2 hours.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. sounds
Allison
good.
just wants me to shut up.
Well, no.
That might be true.
But now, Allison, where can we find the recipe if people didn't have like a piece of paper to write it down as we were talking?
They can call us at Wild Time, or it should be on the website.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Want
Oh,
a
my
bite,
gosh.
do you?
Oh, well, is there going to be any left?
Yeah, maybe.
For more information, you can give Allison a call. That number is 859-523-COOK. That's 859-523-2665. Or check out our website, wildtimecooking.com. And you've got lots of different cooking things for kids to do during the
We have
summer.
summer camps going on. We're almost sold out for all of our summer camps, but we have some fun, I want to call it adult summer camp, like classes coming up in July. A lot of like featured guest chefs. I just got off the phone with Marks Berry Farm, and we're talking about doing like a butchery class where you can come in and then you'll get fresh Marks Berry Farm meat to take home for your barbecues.
Wow.
Like some really fun classes for the summer coming up. So
And don't forget Caldo. Also, you can go and
Yeah.
work out and then get some really healthy soups.
bone
and
broth and then nice smoothies for the summer. I don't know if they're going to be drinking the hot broth this summer, but
Well, you never know. You never know.
definitely a nice fresh smoothie.
There you go. There you go. Well, we thank you so much for joining us, and we're
Yeah.
going to take a quick break. Let him munch down on all
I'm
of
going
this.
to leave
It
you one.
worked. It
Okay,
worked.
it did work.
Shut him up.
Yeah, so we can really talk about it. And we'll take a break, and our pet of the day is back after this break.